So how was it?
I didn't even remember when I fell asleep.
See, I told you it's going to be very easy.
When did I fall asleep?
I don't know, you left here, you were fine. Did you...
I don't remember.
لما دخلت you remember when you go to the operation room? So that's mean you slept before you go to the operation room. So remember they give you the anesthesia here in the room?
They told me I wasn't going to fall asleep from
لا. They give you the anesthesia here.
Good sleep. Take a nap.
Yeah. She won't let me.
Who won't let you sleep?
The lady.
إيه؟
Now?
قالوا لك ما تناميش؟
Yeah.
ليه؟
مش فاكرة.
How you doing over here?
I'm so tired.
Other than itchy and tired? Okay.
She said she's not allowed to sleep.
No,
I
you
don't
can.
know who said that. She said they told me don't sleep.
Oh, really? Well, you're going to be tired because of the medicine we gave you. But taking your fluids is really important, and you can sleep in bed when you get home. But I just want to make sure your stomach's not upset, okay? And she's really itchy from the medication. Okay. So just remember that for the next time when if she ever has surgery again, that the Dilaudid makes her really itchy.
Can you write it down for
Yep,
me?
I will.
Because I forget.
No problem.
Thank
Will do.
you.
Okay. Need anything else, let me know.
So what kind of popsicle they gave you?
Orange?
I don't know, but it's really good.
It's really good?
It's really good.
You want me to get you some more of this? So I'll check with the doctor what kind is it so I can get you the same. You still hungry?
Feels good لما بتاخدي البوبسيكل؟
It tastes really good.
ها؟
It tastes really good.
طب ما تروح تقول لهم هات لها هات النقطة تاني يعني تقول لهم kind of this and هات واحدة
One
تانية.
of the ladies said she was going to get me another one.
She said that?
Yeah.
مين دي النيرس دي ولا لا لا؟
Yeah.
لا تيجي نقول لها.
So what you doing now?
I'm trying to wake up. I can't.
Summer,
That's how you're gonna wake
relax.
up?
Summer, relax. It's okay.
You are awake.
It's okay. We have the room. Take it. Relax. If you wanna record me.
Eat your popsicle before it melts.
I'm so tired. I just don't want to sleep.
Well, finish your popsicle so we can get you another one.
I can't open my eyes.
Hmm?
I can't open my eyes.
You can't open your eyes? Should I open it for you?
Stop.
You don't have to open
Well,
it.
you're not going to eat with your eyes. You're going to eat with your mouth. So eat it.
You still itchy?
I don't know. Mama, I want to sleep so bad.
Nanny or summer, it's fine. One time,
No, let her finish the popsicle first.
You can stop with the camera now.
Okay. So, how was the anesthesia? Did you meet her?
Oh no, I don't remember.
You don't remember? She didn't come to see you? Hmm? She was cute.
It's enough.
Okay, good sleep. I'll wake you up later.